What I do is called expireds. The expireds are, you got your Bright MLS, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you go to Bright MLS. These are all the houses that were on the market that came off the market. So these is better than circle prospecting because it's targeted.
And you know they want to sell.
You know they want to sell. Nah, you just got to convince them to choose you.
Mm-hmm.
What I also do is FISBOs, for sale by owners. This gives you the list of for sale by owners in the area. You know they want to sell, they're doing it by owner. Some of them will tell you, I don't want an agent. Some of them don't know a good agent, so they just put it for sale by owner.
Mm-hmm.
And I've had interviews with those.
Okay.
So that's more targeted. These are motivated sellers.
So when you're talking to somebody who had an expired listing, what are you saying?
We're going to get
there.
Yeah. I got you. You know what I mean? Can't put the cart before the horse. I get the enthusiasm. So the search right here, if you do Vulcan 7, they'll walk you through how to set it up. Mine is already set up. I just go to my saved searches, and these are daily expireds. And I do criteria to make. I just already uploaded it. I'm not going to upload it again.
Mm-hmm.
I do DC and Maryland, so that's how many expireds there are. So let's say half of that is DC, half is Maryland. So it's still 150 people you can call.
Hey, future real estate stars. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on overpriced courses that don't deliver results. Why pay hundreds, even thousands, when you can get the same training for free? Click the link in the description below and start your real estate journey the smart way. Learn proven strategies, insider tips, and build your business without breaking the bank. Your success starts now.
It's too much. It gets so overwhelming, especially on the first of every month. A lot of houses expire on the first.
Really?
A whole lot.
So
First
how do you know if you've already called them?
It's a system.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And I'll walk you through everything. So you do results, and these are all the houses that expired for the last. So it would say DC, Maryland, and Virginia.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not licensed in Virginia, so I stack it by county, and then I uncheck all the Virginia ones. I'm licensed in DC and Maryland, so I select all the Anne Arundel County, and just giving an example. We can skip this and just get to the meat and potatoes, but it's still good for you to know how it goes. So this is all Maryland. I just skip, and I'll come here. I know Alexandria. I'm gonna have a few more Virginia ones. I'll check them, and then I go here. I'm gonna check all the Alexandria ones, and then I go to Fairfax. I know that's an F. That's also in Virginia. I want a DC select. At some point, I had to uncheck all DC. All DC and Virginia, but I got my DC license, so now I'm only on selecting the Virginia ones. And as soon as I get my VA license, all of these I'll be able to reach out to. So it just increases your leads.
Okay.
So now when you do this, you do export, and then it exports it. You do, when you export it, it gives you a list of, this is the one I did earlier. So if I go to my downloads, that's the one I did earlier. And this is how it comes out, right? It gives you name, addresses, listing company, all of that, but that's a waste of time. What Vulcan 7 does now is you upload that folder here. And when you upload that folder, it comes into what's called off market. There's a folder here called off market. Gotta find it right there. So right now, as I stand, I got 2,070 that I haven't even called yet. It's so many. These are all unqualified leads, but I know at some point these 2,070 people wanted to sell their house. You understand? Mm-hmm. So you rack and stack it. You go to the latest one, and this is January 1st. I already called all the ones for the day. I'm still calling some from January 1st because in January 1st, maybe over 1,000 or 2,000 houses went expired at the start of the year that I still haven't been able to get to yet.
Okay.
You understand? So let's say I select this list of people to call. and I do begin dial. You can call directly from your computer, but I don't do that. I call from my cell phone. You can include that or not. It's up to you. When you hit continue, what I'll do, instead of doing a standard dial, I'll do a pause and preview just so you see it. But if I do a standard dial, this is so fast. As soon as you call somebody, when you hang up, it automatically calls the next person, and automatically. So it speeds up your rate of calling. That's why that 800 number becomes very attainable, because this is boom, 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 boom. But you're doing it through your cell phone. But I'll do a pause and preview so you can see it. We're not going to call anybody. So when you do a pause and preview, it gives you a number. You dial it from here. And
A PIN is not a valid PIN. Please enter your personal identification number.
I dialed the wrong last number. I put a 6. It should have been a 7. 1337. When I hit dial,
Thank you. Once you click the start
so
button,
once you hit the start button,
your
your dial session will begin. If you can, you cancel that and get this if you can. Or if you want to talk about at least doing half or something, that way you save, we can talk about that. But, so now it just gives you their numbers.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.